Congratulations on finishing the complete Node.js, Express, and MongoDB bootcamp. And I hope that you had a great time and a lot of fun building this huge project, and that you walk away from this course now really proud of all the new skills that you have learned over the last couple of weeks. However, as you probably know, this is only the beginning, because now it's really your turn to put in the work and practice your new Node.js skills. So a good idea is to complete all the challenges that I left you in an earlier section, or even better, of course, start your own project that you maybe already had in mind before actually taking this course. Or if you didn't come into the course with a clear idea of what you actually wanted to build, well, just let me give you 4 app suggestions. So first, you could build a simple quiz application, which would be a nice place to start using your new skills. Second, and a bit more complex, you could build a forum application, so a bit like Reddit, for example. Then, my third suggestion is a restaurant management software, complete with menus, orders, builds, and more, which of course is hugely complex. And so if you decide to do this one, then really make sure to take a lot of time to build it, because it won't be easy at all, okay? And finally, number 4, if you want to go really crazy, you can build like a fully fledged social networking app, like Facebook or Instagram. So complete with users, posts, comments, likes, etc. So this one again would be a real challenge. Anyway, no matter what you end up building, I really can't wait to see your results. So please make sure to share your projects right here on Udemy in the Q&A section, so that we can all take a look and maybe even give some feedback. Now, another thing that's really important as a Node.js developer, and really any web developer, is to keep on top of our ever-changing industry. And I really know how challenging that can be. So, in order to help you keeping updated, I actually created a newsletter where I share some news, tutorials, and other interesting articles once per month. So if you want to check that out, you can just subscribe over at jonas.io. And now, no matter what your goal is after this course, I'm absolutely sure that you can achieve it. Because I've actually seen students from my other courses getting real jobs and starting real careers in the industry right after taking one of these courses, and of course practicing a lot in order to get better every single day. Anyway, let's now wrap up the course. So it was really nice having you here and to be able to take this journey with you. So now, good luck with your new Node.js skills, take care, and I see you next time.